How to eat Japanese ramen properly. Slurp your way to ramen royalty. How to eat Japanese ramen properly. Because slurping like a pro is an art form. Welcome to the world of ramen. Ramen isn't just food, it's an experience. But before you dive in, let's learn the ropes to avoid any noodle-related faux pas that could leave you tangled in more than just your noodles. The right utensils, chopsticks. These are your primary weapons. Not only do they help you grab noodles, but they also double as excellent pointy sticks for dramatic gestures. Soup spoon. Not just for soup, this handy tool is essential for sipping up that delicious broth and pretending you're in a culinary movie scene. Bowl, the deep vessel of deliciousness. Ensure it's at a comfy height for slurping. We don't want any noodle gymnastics that ends in a faceplant. Ramen etiquette. Slurping is encouraged. It's a symphony of sounds. Slurping in Japan shows you're enjoying your meal. So go ahead, make some noise. Just remember there's a fine line between slurping and sounding like a whale. Don't stick your chopsticks upright. This is reserved for funerals, so don't be the funeral noodle at the table. Laying them across your bowl when done sends the right message. Finish every drop. If you leave broth behind, it's like saying, thanks for nothing.
Ooh.
So show that bowl who's boss.
Oh.
The mechanics of eating ramen. Grab the noodles. Use your chopsticks to gather a reasonable portion. Think about the size of your mouth, not a spaghetti monster. Dip and dunk for flavor. You can dip your noodles in the broth as you eat. It's like giving them a little bath before they go on the flavor ride of their lives. Sipping the broth. Bring the bowl close and drink straight from it if you dare. Just be careful. This can cause unexpected mustache situations. Add ingredients as you go. Did someone say toppings? You can customize your ramen with condiments like soy sauce or chili oil. Just don't create a ramen science experiment over there. Common condiments. Soy sauce. Just a splash adds a savoury twist. No need to recreate a soy sauce waterfall, please. Chili oil for the brave. A little heat can make the experience flavourful, rather than a fire-breathing dragon scenario. Sesame seeds. Sprinkle those little beauties on top for crunch. Fancy and delicious, like a noodle Michelin star. Eating ramen is about savouring the flavours and enjoying the experience. With these tips, you're now armed to impress your friends and family with your ramen eating prowess. Questions? Any questions? Feel free to ask, but remember, there are limits to how much noodle wisdom I can share before it becomes a noodle monologue. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about how to eat Japanese ramen properly. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one. Now let's grab some ramen and practice these skills. Slurp responsibly.